Greetings from I Love New York, and welcome to Staten Island. Here is an arrival. Welcome to Staten Island. The folks here behind those glass doors are awaiting their free ferry ride to Manhattan Island. The ride in both directions is absolutely free. Trying to catch the Staten Island Ferry. It runs about every half an hour. And how long is the ferry ride from Manhattan? For those of you who have never seen the Staten Island Ferry, it's pumpkin orange. And how long is the ferry ride? People have asked me, how long does it take to get there? 30 minutes. It's kind of rule of thumb. It leaves every 30 minutes and it takes 30 minutes to get to each direction. Now, the first time I took the Staten Island Ferry, most people just did the real fast U-turn. They got off and they headed right back. Beautiful views of the Statue of Liberty, but I'm happy to say that has changed so much. I like to make a right when I get here to Staten Island, head over to what's known as Snug Harbor. I have my Staten Island attire. I've got the hat, I've got the backpack. I'm so happy to be back. Here's another welcome sign. I do love them. Okay, so back to it. What do I do when I am on Staten Island? You can also take the bus here. I'm heading over to Snug Harbor, as I had mentioned. It is Figment Festival weekend, and that'll be the figment of your imagination. There is art placed throughout the park. St. George's Theater has a disco concert here tonight. Welcome to the Staten Island Ferry. And I think there's something here. Here is the bus terminal. If you want to get around Staten Island. And when I say get around, you may want to go to the beach. There are beaches here on Staten Island. Here's the thing that people don't know much about. Actually, there's two things. The National Lighthouse Museum, but Staten Island has its own railway system. Some people don't know that you can use your Metro card when you're going to New Jersey, getting on the PATH train, but there is indeed the Staten Island Railway, and yep, you can use your OmniPass. Same $2.75 ride. While we're celebrating Staten Island, I'm gonna show off my backpack. Staten Island. Hello to my friend Nacy, who lives here on the island. Got to hang out with Nacy last time I was here. Put a call through, and hopefully I will see Nacy today as well. And you can also take the new Midtown West Ferry. Another nice ride. West 39th Street, that's right over by the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center. But I want to head outside of St. George's Terminal here because it's really actually quite beautiful. People thought when they were not going to build the Staten Island Wheel that there wouldn't be all that much to do when you get here. And it's beautiful. Who knew? Actually, I knew I was here before, but is it known that Staten Island has palm tree cafes with views of the New York City skyline? Not only that, you have views of the Garden State. Now, what would that be? That'd be the Garden State of New Jersey. That bridge over there is by the Elizabeth area. Elizabeth is about $7 to get to via the NJ Transit Transportation. C Street ferries are also quite popular. I like taking that one going to Sandy Hook, New Jersey. There's a sports arena here. Now they have events here in this shopping area. We love NYC. This is the outlet area. And in this area is where they do their seasonal events. And one of the ones that I saw I thought was quite interesting, they had a foam party. What is a foam party? Lots of bubbles. Right. There is more fun to be had. That is a quick arrival to ever beautiful Staten Island. Till next time, keep exploring.